The digital design students are removing the front bumper off the brand new Jeep GAL, and they are scanning the frame horns in the front so that we can design and build a new bumper that will all be sheet metal of plate construction, and we'll recess a winch down in the middle. It's crucial that we scan the car to make sure that we pick up the right mounting points, but also so that when we put the winch in and that when we bend our sheet metal, that our sheet metal does not interfere with any of the factory OEM stuff. Using our Faro design scan arm, we can scan the entire front clip of the Jeep. It's directly imported into the SolidWorks environment using Geomagic for SolidWorks, and from there we will be able to design and draw right in the SolidWorks environment.